In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group videos in CapCut PC. Whether you're working on a small project or editing a complex sequence, organizing your clips efficiently can save you a lot of time and effort. Grouping videos into a single compound clip allows you to streamline your timeline, apply effects to multiple clips at once, and make adjustments without losing sync. If you're new to CapCut or just looking to improve your workflow, this tutorial will guide you step by step through the process. Now, if you don't already have a CapCut account, you can use the link in the description to download and get started. It's free to use and packed with features for video editing. Let's dive in. To begin, you'll want to select the clips or assets you'd like to group together on your timeline. This is the foundation of the process because choosing the right clips ensures you're organizing the exact elements you want into a single group. Take a moment to identify the clips you'd like to organize and make sure they're visible in your timeline. Next, to select multiple clips, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard if the clips are lined up next to each other. Shift allows you to quickly select consecutive clips in one easy action. Alternatively, if you need to pick clips that are scattered across the timeline, hold down the Control key instead. This method makes it simple to select non-consecutive clips one at a time. Just in case your timeline is zoomed in, you might want to zoom out or scroll along your timeline to double-check that you haven't missed anything during your selection. Once you've chosen your clips, make sure all of them are highlighted. Highlighted clips typically appear with a distinct border or a highlighted color, depending on your CapCut theme settings. This visual confirmation ensures that all the assets you need have been included in your selection. Now, right-click on any one of the selected clips. It doesn't matter which clip you choose, the context menu will appear the same no matter which one you click. From this menu, look for the option labeled Create Compound Clip. In some cases, depending on your version of CapCut or the language settings you're using, this option might appear with a different label, such as Group or Nest. No matter what it's called, it serves the same purpose. So go ahead and click it. After selecting the option, CapCut will process the compound clip. This might take a moment, especially if you've selected a large number of assets or if your project is particularly complex. Just give it a little time, and the software will handle the grouping for you. Once the process is complete, verify that your selected assets have been replaced by a single compound clip in the timeline. You should see that all the individual clips you selected are now represented as one unified clip. This change simplifies your timeline by consolidating multiple clips into a single, manageable element. From here, you can move, cut, or apply effects to the compound clip as needed. The beauty of this feature is that any changes you make to the compound clip will automatically apply to all the assets within it. For example, if you want to add a color filter or make adjustments to the overall timing, you can do so with just one edit instead of adjusting each clip individually. Using compound clips is especially helpful for managing complex sequences or working with larger projects. Whether you're shifting synced assets, applying global effects, or simply tidying up your timeline, this feature is a game changer for efficient editing. And there you have it. That's how you group videos in CapCut PC, by creating a compound clip. With this technique, you can keep your timeline organized and work more efficiently on your projects. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.